In this video, we're going to go through the process of installing FL Studio. Once you have your software downloaded, right click on it and use this option here that is called extract to with the name of the software in quote marks. So once you press on that, the only thing you have to do here is enter a password, and the password is 123. Just that, 123, and then press OK and wait for it to extract. When the extraction is finished, it will create another folder with the same name, but this one will just be a normal folder. Double click in it and then open the folder that you also find there, and then we can finally find the application file for FL Studio. So double click on this one, and for whatever pop-up you get, make sure you are going with run or yes, press run. Now you will get this pop-up for installing FL Studio. So this is very simple. All you have to do is press here next, and then on this page press I agree, and then on this page you do not have to change anything, just press next again. Also on this page press next again, and also on this page press next again, and also on the page that comes after that press next again. And this is our final page where we have everything sorted. So just press install and wait for it to install onto your computer. Once that page is done loading, just press next here and then next again, and then finish your install. At that point, FL Studio has already been installed onto your computer, and you can check by going to your desktop and looking for this icon. Now, before we open it, we have to do a few things. I want you to head over to the first folder in the install folder, double click on that, and I want us to copy all of this. So use Control and A on your keyboard. Control and A, that is to select all, and then use Control and C to copy everything here. Then move over to your local disk C. Mine is named System. Just go to local disk C and then locate program files, and then move over to Image Line, which is the company that makes FL Studio. Double click on that, and then for the version that we are using, we have FL Studio 25. Double click on it and open it. Now what we want to do is to paste all of the things that we've copied here. So use Control and V, and you should get this. This is what you should get. It is saying the destination has 3 files with the same names. The ones that we've copied from our folder, we are being told that there are similar ones here. So we want to replace the files in this destination. So select that, and if you get another pop-up, just press continue. And those 3 files have been pasted here. Now you can go back, just go back by pressing this back arrow, go back and come back here. The last thing we are going to do is double click on this registration entries file here. It will be in blue. Double click on it and then just press yes, and then just press yes on the next pop-up, and then OK. At this point, your FL Studio is ready to use. I will see you in the next video as we open up FL Studio and learn about the interface.